The FFC connector developed and produced by TXGA. It is a more flexible and stable interconnection solution between the security monitoring pan/tilt and the main body. In response to the flexible rotation requirements of the monitoring pan/tilt, the FFC connector developed and produced by TXGA adopts a front flip lock structure design. When installing, the flip cover of the connector can press and lock the FFC cable tightly, making the contact between the cable and the connector more stable. Ensure that when the gimbal rotates at a large angle, the internal cables are still firmly connected, making the security monitoring more flexible and stable during operation. TXGA has provided professional connector customization solutions for 15,000 customers around the world. To customize the connector, choose TXGA.